There's something we have been using lately that has really changed the way we handle teaching new things to people in our community. Most of us know that feeling of being stuck for hours trying to crop images and explain every little click just to put a tutorial together. Lately, we have been relying on Tango, a browser extension that basically takes over the job of making those guides and tutorials for you. It builds these really nice looking documents so we can stop worrying about typing out every single move we make on the computer. We're going to take a look at Tango and show you how it turns a messy task into a simple guide for everyone. To get started, you'll need to swing by the Tango website to create an account and get the extension installed in your browser. Once you see that icon sitting in your toolbar, you are ready to start capturing the things you want to show others. When you feel like making a new guide, you simply click the New Tango button. It's helpful because it lists all the tabs you currently have open on your computer. You just pick the one where you're actually working and hit Start Capture. You'll notice a side panel appear on the right side of your screen immediately. That is just Tango's way of showing you that it is working right alongside you. Imagine you're documenting a process in ClickUp, which is how many of us keep our daily projects organized and moving. You just start going through your workflow exactly the way you usually do. If you happen to be creating a task or organizing a project list, you just click and move around the site as normal. Every time you take an action, Tango stays in the background and grabs a high-quality image of where your mouse is pointing. It isn't just a basic screen grab, it actually circles the button or the text box you're using. After you get to the end of the process, you just click the green Finish button. All of a sudden, a new tab opens up and it feels like you're looking at a finished guide. Tango has already put together a complete walkthrough of every move you just made. The AI checks out where you clicked and writes down simple, clear instructions for each step. If you think a title for a step doesn't sound quite right, you can click to fix it or let the AI suggest a better one for you. You can also update the link if you want it to go to a specific page. This makes it really easy for someone else to catch on because they aren't just reading a list, they are seeing exactly what you saw. Okay, to show you how much more you can do with this, let's talk about pairing it with another software, let's say Monday.com. Suppose we're trying to show someone on the team how to build an automation or switch up a board view. We hit the Tango Capture on our Monday tab and just walk through the process of making a task, assigning it, and setting a deadline. Tango catches every one of those specific moments just right. When we're finished, the guide that pops up shows the Monday screen with neat boxes around the Add Item button and the status area. It makes a busy dashboard feel way less overwhelming. What we love is that once this guide is built, we get to decide exactly how it's handled. We can manage the access so only the right people see it. If we want to put the guide where the team is already spending their workday, we can just embed it in tools like Coda, Notion, or SharePoint. That means no one has to stop what they're doing to go hunting for answers. We can also save it as a PDF or use the HTML if we need to put it in an old school handbook. If you're someone who likes to move fast, you can pin the Tango extension so it's right there whenever you're helping a coworker in real time. To finish this part of the process, we have to talk about the data you get. After the guide is out there, we can go back and see how many people are actually clicking through it. It gives us a bird's eye view of who's finishing the steps and how they're engaging. It's one thing to send a guide, but it's much better to know your team is actually finding it useful and getting through the work. It's honestly the easiest way we've found to create these how-to guides without losing our breath or our time. Moving on from just making guides, we have to talk about the parts that help us work together as a team. Tango is not just for one person, it is made for the whole group. The team tools are really where the total knowledge of the bunch starts to show. Inside the app, there is a place for settings and members where we can add our whole crew into the mix. This lets us decide who has the right to change a guide and who is just reading it to learn. It keeps our work area clean and makes sure that only the most correct facts are being shared. Many times, we are making a guide, but we are not quite ready to show it to people yet. That's why the drafts part is so helpful. We can save our work, come back later to put in more info, or maybe use the blur tool to hide some secret stuff like client names or private info before the guide is done. This makes sure that we are being careful with privacy while still being helpful. Once a guide is neat and fixed, we put it into the team library. The team library works like a shared pot of info for the whole company. Instead of everyone having their own messy notes, everything is kept in one place. Anyone on the team can check the library to find the lesson they need. Whether it's a guide on how to ask for holidays or a hard technical task, it's all right there. When it's all said and done, Tango's just a great way to show respect for everyone's time by making it easier to teach each other. It takes all the hard work out of making guides so you can spend your day doing what really matters. If you want your coworkers to move faster and your help pages to look better, you should check it out. Go get the browser tool right now and start making your own list of helpful tips. We put the website links in the notes down there. Give Tango a go, then tell us how it went in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more software insights like this.